So welcome students. So in this question, given that you have a hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1, and the area of the quadrilateral formed by the tangents drawn at the endpoints of lattice rectum is equal to the square of the distance between the center and one of the focus of this hyperbola. So that's the wording given in the question. So if that is so, what is the value of e cube? So now let us draw this hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. And we know that the endpoints of the lattice rectum are, the x coordinate will be ae, the y coordinate will be b square by a. That will be one endpoint of the lattice rectum. The other endpoints can be found in a similar way. The other endpoint will be ae comma minus b square by a, minus ae comma minus b square by a, and minus ae comma b square by a. Now if you draw all these four tangents, so you get some quadrilateral here. So the area of this quadrilateral is given as a square e square, the square of the distance between the center and the focus. So if that is so, e cube is equal to how much? So now let us directly find this area. It's given as a square e square, but what is this area actually? So as you can see, the quadrilateral form will be symmetric with respect to all the four axes. So if you can find the area of one of the triangle, one of the component triangle of this, and if I multiply it with 4, I get the total area. So to get that, let me find the equation of tangent. So the equation of tangent is t equal to 0. That is, with respect to this, I will write t equal to 0. So x times ae by a square minus y times b square by b square is equal to 1. So 1 a and a get cancelled, b square and b square gets cancelled. So xe by a minus y by a is equal to 1. This implies xe minus y is equal to a. So this is the tangent at the one end of lattice rectum. Now I want the area of the triangle formed by this tangent with the coordinate axis. So what is the x-intercept? So the x-intercept of this tangent can be found out by putting y is equal to 0, so that is a by e. So what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept can be found out by putting x is equal to 0, that is minus a. Y-intercept is minus a. So what is the area of triangle? So area of triangle is nothing but half times a by e. Half times x coordinate, x-intercept into y-intercept, mod of that. That is equal to a square by 2e. That's the area of triangle. So what is the area of the quadrilateral? So area of ABCD, the quadrilateral, is nothing but bisymmetry 4 times the area of this triangle. 4 times a square by 2e. That is equal to a square by e. This is the actual area of this triangle, of this quadrilateral, but this is given as equal to a square e square. So if that is so, this a square and a square is getting cancelled. So you're getting e cube is equal to 2. So if this condition has to be valid, so e cube has to be equal to 2 units. So that's the right answer to this question. Thank you.